We are showing you this house and lot for sale located here inside the secured subdivision in Angeles City, Pampanga. This is near Clark and Friendship. Let's check it out. Hi, my name is Howie, your trusted real estate agent from Live Realty, and welcome to another Howie TV house tour. Let's go. This property has a lot area of 400 square meters, floor area of 300 square meters, 5 bedrooms, 7 bathrooms, attic room, high ceiling, living area, dining area, service kitchen, swimming pool, and 2 vehicle carport. Priced at 38 million pesos. Contact us for viewing. First, let's talk about the location because this location is perfect if you're familiar with Lala Garden. This is very near that. Near Clark and Friendship. This is about 15 to 20 minutes away from the airport. The hospital is nearby and also schools are abundant around the property. So as you can see, guys, it's a very massive property. It's situated on a double corner lot. Later, I'll show you. So this is the first corner. The exterior, you can already tell the Japanese influence. Meron tayong mga dark grills right here, gray walls, wooden elements, and these very elegant slats sa ating exterior. Napakaganda. The front of the house, meron tayong greenery dito. May patch of green tayo in front. We have this nice selection of bougainvilleas and palm sa front natin. And imagine if fully grown na yan. Very, very nice. We have this 2 vehicle carport with automated gate. More greens over here. Bougainvilleas, palm. And this is the other corner that I was telling you about. Very nice. Ang laki ng property. Okay, and from this angle, makikita nyo rin ito namang side ng mga balconies natin. So let's check out the property from inside. It's a beautiful day, guys. So it's 12 noon. Napakaganda, not too bright. 2-car carport. As I said before, automated gate. We have this drain. Very nice. Tiled ang ating 2-car carport. We have this wooden design, high ceiling with 16 lights. Well lighted, okay? We have our outlets over here if you need for your vacuum or car wash. More outlets, and you have a water faucet on both sides ng gate natin. Over there and over here. Guys, just excuse the construction materials and other things na nandito because kakatapos lang ng ating construction dito. So, shall we go through this or this? So, we'll save the pool for later. Now, let's go through this walkway. Ang ganda rin ang choice ng plants dito. Very nice. Okay, we have this steps going through the front of the house. Paikot yan. And these steps going through your double wooden front door. Okay, now guys, we have a pedestrian gate right in front of the front door. Double front door. Electronic lock with your can be accessed with your fingerprint, your RFID card, or your facial recognition. So let's go in. Welcome. So guys, para mas maganda, let's turn on the lights. Like so. Very nice. Upon entry, you will be greeted by this open living space right here. You have your living area on this side of the property. Console for your television. We have storage underneath. Tons of outlets right here. And this double height ceiling that has an interesting rattan design chandelier that welcomes you once you enter the property. Okay? Meron din tayong large windows here that lets in so much natural light. Let me just close this up. Guys, press ko yung property, mahangin siya. There. Air conditioning is installed. This blank wall can, diba, you can put your artwork right here. Very nice. Okay? And guys, let us notice, diba may open shelves tayo dito. And this stone design, accent wall dito sa ating console. Very nice. And pan natin sa ating ceiling. Cove lighting din siya with pin lights pa. Very bright at night. Okay? From this angle, dito naman ang ating very nice formal kitchen. Let me turn on the lights for you to appreciate. Very nice. We have this very large countertop with gray marble design. Modern sink right here. Marami tayong functionality dito. May parang shower, and it can be also pulled like so. Meron tayo for our soap and our tumblers. Yan. Just like sa Starbucks. Okay. And also, makikita natin itong parang moon design na pendant lights dito sa ating countertop. Diba? Napaka-elegant. Now, isa-isahin natin ang ating kitchen setup. From here, we have cupboards. Diba? Ito pwede itong parang pantry space. We have our microwave. More cupboards. We have drawers underneath. Soft closing. Countertop. We have a window here for ventilation. This is directly doon sa ating daily kitchen. Later, pupunta tayo dyan. Open shelves, which are, by the way, lighted. Very nice. More cupboards right here. Induction stove. Range hood. We have our oven right here. Napakaganda. Okay? And more open shelves. Double door refrigerator. More storage. And, of course, we have our air conditioning installed right here. And if these storage are not enough, under the counter, meron din tayong maraming storage like drawers and more storage right here. Okay? Ikot tayo. Ang ganda. From your living area, double height ceiling, and from here, makikita nyo guys, the kitchen setup. Imagine, if you're hosting, meron kang mga guests, di ba? Your guests will be right here. Tapos, meron tayong parang mga bar stools dito. Then you, the host, prepares the food for them or you have your private chef. Napakaganda. Okay, now, let's go through this door. This door is your pantry. Guys, solid wooden door. Tapos, sabi ko nga, ang dami ng storage sa labas. Marami ka pang storage dito. Pwede kang mag-store ng mga canned goods, yung mga pinamili mo, snacks. Ayan, abundant space. And also, help me with this kasi hindi ko alam kung anong function niya. We have this pull-outs right here. Can you comment down below kung para saan ito? No? Tanong natin sa owner. Di ba? Very nice. I'm sure may function yan. Hindi ko lang alam, guys. Okay? So, now, let's go to this door. So, your kitchen, you have a door. Now, we have our daily kitchen or service area because nandito lahat, you have your washer, provision for your washer right here. You have your breakers over here. May lights din tayo dyan. We have an additional refrigerator outside. You have a 4-burner stove dito. May range ka rin dyan. Also, more storage, and your sink behind. Okay? And, guys, you guessed it right. More storage. Okay? Sa area na to is your staff room. So, they have ample space dito. So, bed will go right here. May sarili silang window na may screen. If they want to keep it open, may screen, presko. Another window sa side. May screen din yan. So, very livable itong ating service staff room. Okay? Meron silang sariling closet space. And their own toilet and bath with their sink, toilet, and shower area with rainfall shower head. Guys, this is nicer than my shower. Okay? And may I mention, may window rin dito for ventilation. So, hindi siya mag-aamoy kulob. Okay? Makikita natin yung quality ng house because even the staff room is well-tiled, napakaganda ng cabinetry. Very nice. Okay, this door, gate to, leading to the side of the house, going to the front. Now, and guys, pansinin niyo, we have this polycarbonate roofing here so that when it rains, it doesn't get wet in this area, but you get the natural light from the sun. Okay? On this side, we have another gate over here going to the lanai and the pool area. Later, we'll go to that. And now, this is the one I was talking about kanina. So, if meron tayong prepare from our daily kitchen dito, we can serve it directly to this, to our main kitchen. Yan, lalapag natin dyan, di ba? Very convenient, no, for your staff or for you, di ba? Really nice. Let's go back in. Okay. Now to my left, we have this door. This is now set up as an office. So, hindi na siya makapakita sa inyo kasi may staff tayo sa loob. But this can be a bedroom, can be an office, a guest room, whatever you want it to be. Now, step down, we have our full bath right here. We have our sink, our toilet, and our enclosed shower with rainfall shower head and shampoo niche and more niches right here. Plus, meron tayong ventilation dyan. Okay? And itong ilalim ng stairs can also be enclosed if you want more storage. Okay? Now, walking through here, we have this family area na merong sliding doors on these two sides. This one leads to the pool and this one leads to the side garden. So, pakita natin dito. Okay? We have these steps and we have this garden space over here. Dito pwede ka magkaroon ng seating area. You can have your seating area right here. Very fresco. How do I say fresco in English? Very fresh. We're here. Di ba? You can have your seating area dito. This is access to the daily kitchen. Very nice choice of tiling here. And I failed to mention inside, let's check it out. Napaka-neat and elegant ng tiles natin. Diba? Parang gray design siya na semi parang marble, meron siyang mga veins na design. Okay? Now, let's check the other sliding door. This one, we step down and we have this space. If you have gatherings, pwede dito. The kids can play. They can run around here safely. If you have pets, this is perfect kasi laki ng yard. Plus, of course, let's mention the obvious already. We have this very nicely sized pool. Napakaganda, especially this time of year. medyo mainit, no? Kaya very inviting ating pool. Ito guys, I can imagine once ito nalinis and nalagyan ng water, very, very perfect for this afternoon. 'Di ba? May baon sana ako, kaya lang walang tubig eh. So, I can't show you. Okay, I'm kidding. So, this is your pump room. 'Di ba? And ang ganda ng ginawa nila because this is metal but they made it wooden design to match the overall aesthetic of the house. Very nice. And this door is pool shower. Okay? So, let's admire the house from here. Guys, the side of the house, so you have 2 balconies. Diba? Your 2-car carport is right here. Yeah. Ang ganda. Ulit-ulitin natin so that you can appreciate the layout of this property. Okay? Now let's go back in and I'll show you the second floor. Let's turn this on. Ganda, oh. And also, this is my first time to see this kind of ceiling design. Parang I would say like the ones you see in those Baguio houses. Parang cabin. Ang ganda. Okay, one more look sa ating beautiful kitchen, our living area. And now, we go to the second floor. Okay, wooden steps, wide ang ating stairs, wood handle with glass support, lighted steps for your safety at night. We have this large window, mid-landing, may screen din yan. So if you want to keep it open, pwedeng-pwede. Step up from here. We have this hallway leading to the bedrooms. Okay, so let's start with the first bedroom. Let's turn this on. Ayan. Mas elegant. And also this one. Okay, now, this door is a flexible room. It can be a bedroom, it can be an office. Kasi may space tayo dito. Wala siyang ensuite toilet and bath, but it has its own balcony right here. Own mini balcony right here. Sobrang presko, guys. Okay? Now, ito naman yung slats na nakita nyo kanina from outside. So, pag pinasok natin to, when we enter here, we can see the living area from that space. So, I would say this can be a space for seating area or general tambay. Tambay here kasi it's hidden. Okay? Wala talaga siyang intended purpose but ginawan ko na for you guys. So let's go back in. Very nice. Okay? Now coming from the first bedroom, just across, we have another bedroom. This one, similar size, bed will go right here. We have outlets on both sides. Air conditioning is installed. Now, this one has its own mini balcony. Cute. Under this is the daily kitchen. Okay, let's close this up. And this door is its own bathroom. We have a sink, toilet, and partially enclosed shower with rainfall shower head and window for ventilation, plus shampoo niche. And maganda rin yung kanyang backsplash dito. Similar to the one dito sa ating sink. Okay? Built-ins. Dresser or vanity over here. I think may light din to. Wow. Very nice, no? Imagine fixing yourself from here and have a drawer underneath. which are soft closing. Now another bedroom is this one. Very nice space. Bed can go right here. Outlets on both sides. Air conditioning installed. We have a window. This is overlooking the back of the house. Built-ins for your clothes. We have racks, drawers. More racks and open shelves underneath. And its own bathroom. Sink, toilet, and partially enclosed shower with rainfall shower head. And ito iba naman yung backsplash niya, parang wood design. Very nice, and meron tayong window for ventilation. Always good to have a window on your bathrooms. Okay? Yan. Now, walk through the hallway and you have this door. That is your master bedroom. Wow. This room is so bright. Enormous amount of space. Your bed will go right here. It's amazing because installed na yung ating headboard right here. Meron tayong this Japanese scene na painting. We have outlets on both sides. Let's turn that on. Meron tayong USB, USB-C, di ba? Pendant lighting. Really nice pin lights. Meron tayo, and also air conditioning are installed. Now guys, this bedroom has a lot of balcony space. Let's start with this one. Oh, sobrang presko. This is really spacious. You can have your lounge chairs here or a couch. Nasa inyo yun. Okay? So this is the front of the house. Now let's go back in and I'll show you the second balcony. This one is facing your swimming pool. So imagine in the afternoon, while the kids are playing or your guests are swimming, you'll be here and you can see them over there. How cool is that? Mahangin, guys. Can you tell mahangin? No? Okay. This door, of course, is your master walk-in and master bathroom. So let's start here. Upon entry, you have this amazing closet space that is perfect for your luxury items, your clothes. Yeah, this one is lighted. You have your vanity right here. You have a drawer, soft closing, racks, drawers, more racks. And I love the way na meron siyang clerestory window sa taas. So even it's in the morning, may light tayo na papasok. This one is nice because if you have long gowns, you can have them here. Really nice. Naging closet tour, no? Ayan. More shelves, drawers, and open shelves right here. Imagine your bags displayed from here. Plus, gustong-gusto ko itong drawers na to kasi you can display your watches, your accessories over here. Diba? Hindi ka na mahihirapang mamili because you can already see them from here. Tempered glass din siya, guys. And more drawers underneath. Okay? Air conditioning. And you have this bench when you're wearing your shoes or taking off your shoes. Napakaganda. Now let's go to the master bathroom. Dual sink, his and her, open shelves, you have your toilet, storage underneath, and your enclosed, spacious shower area with your modern type piano. I call this piano type shower with rainfall shower head, handheld, and you have this another handheld shower here. Window for ventilation and a long shampoo niche over here. Plus guys, if you can notice the tile of choice that they used here, very nice, very organic, ang ganda. Okay? Now, let's take one more look sa ating very spacious master bedroom. The hallway over here. Your bedroom. Let's go to the third floor. More wooden steps, wooden handrails. Mid-landing before the third floor. Ang ganda ng view. You can see the view of the village from here. Tons of green space. We walk up and we reach the third floor. Now this door is storage. So check that out, guys. I can imagine using this as a parang kids TV room, playroom. Napakaganda. But it's storage. This door is more storage. This door is more storage with air conditioning. Actually, we can convert this as a theater. You use your bean bags, tambay, di ba? Sleepover, ang ganda. May air conditioning installed, well lighted, may outlets. Napakaganda. Okay? So I imagine if you live in this house, walang clutter kasi there's place for everything. Okay? Maraming storage, maraming rooms, di ba? And talaga namang ang ganda-ganda ng location. Now from here, let's take one more look sa ating mga hallways and going down to the main area para makita niyo yung layout ng house. Okay? Ang ganda rin ng view from here, oh. From your second floor hallway, you can see your living area down there. Tapos yung ating light fixture dito, very nice. Now from here, let's go down to the main area before we do the recap. Really grand. Di ba ang ganda guys? Pagbaba mo ng bahay mo, you can see your elegant kitchen, your living area. Really nice. And from here, kita mo yung pool. Di ba? So now, let's do the recap. This property has a lot area of 400 square meters, floor area of 300 square meters, 5 bedrooms, 7 bathrooms, attic room, high ceiling, living area, dining area, service kitchen, swimming pool, and 2 vehicle carport. Priced at 38 million pesos. Contact us for viewing. Thank you so much for watching. We appreciate every like, share, and subscribe. Once again, my name is Howie, your trusted real estate agent from Live Realty. Together with our director, Ken, we hope to help you find your next property. Until next time, God bless. Bye.